have to cancel the plan since it would be a waste of time and money, because apparently Mount Fuji likes to hide and it's very rare that you can see it, and given the weather I'm 100% sure I cannot see it, so yeah, it's so disappointing. We are on our way to the Sensoji temple. It's one of the most famous temples in Tokyo. This is the street, the Asakusa street. I am here at the Sensoji temple in Asakusa. Yeah, it's a very beautiful gate. I will write the name of the gate. I cannot really pronounce it, but I will show you. People are wearing really beautiful Japanese traditional dresses and show you. This street has a lot of traditional food and souvenirs and a lot of other traditional things you can buy from here, and the cost is also not that high. It's actually, it's okay. It's not very cheap but not very expensive also. So yeah, it's quite
As compared to Thailand currency,
yeah,
it is very cheap.
as compared to Thailand currency, it's very cheap. That's why I now understand why everyone in Thailand wants to come to Japan. There are so many markets, so many things here. Japanese traditional gifts for everyone. Oh wow. Wanted to rent a kimono. I'm sure they are renting kimonos, but not sure. This is the Sensoji temple in Asakusa behind me. This is the only temple I planned for this trip. I also planned one more, but I don't think I will go there anymore. But this is a must visit according to me. There are a lot of street markets, so you get to shop and go to the temple at the same time. So yeah, it's also free entry, so you should definitely check it out, and let's go see what's inside. Wow, this is very beautiful. You have to. There's a lot of crowd. I wish I would have come sooner or earlier. The temple opens at 9, I guess, and it's very beautiful. Look at the background behind me. So nice. So this process is called how to draw your omikuji, which is knowing your fortune for the year. You have to put on 100 yen, and then there is a steel box from where you can take out one stick. There will be different Japanese numbers given on the stick starting from 1, and you have to take out a stick. There will be a number given, and these drawers that you can see also have the numbers. You have to pull out the particular drawer that has the number of your stick. So yeah, that's how it goes. I've got number 1, which is the best fortune. The Tower of Klonosen with 7 treasures is standing in a stately manner upon the high summit. People look at it and praise it. Your fortune is just like this tower. When you look at it more carefully, your fortune will be more excellent. Your wish will be realized. A sick person will recover. The person you are waiting for will come soon. The lost article will be found, but it will take a little while. Building a new house, moving, marriage, taking a trip, employment are all good. Be careful for everything. So I wanted to see the Tokyo Sky Tree, which is behind me, but I did not want to spend the money and go inside it. I just wanted to see it from afar. So this is the place. I am here to see the Tokyo Tower after watching the Sky Tree, and I don't know what place is it. So I took a train again to Daimon Station, and we are walking towards the tower now. I can see a very beautiful. I can see a very beautiful gate opposite to me. I will show you. I think that's the tower gate, maybe. Not sure. It's very pretty. The whole place is so pretty, but it's so cold. I was hungry, so I wanted to have something in veg, like vegan option. Here is the only veg option I could find in Tokyo. This Subway, as you can see. Ask them to make me a veg cabbage, onions and the sauces. So if you're looking for veg option, you have Subway. Are you ready for the view? 3, 2, 1. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this. It is super beautiful and so exciting. To buy tickets for the Tokyo Tower main deck. I'm not going to the top deck, main deck. For high school students it's 1000 yen, for adults it's 1200 yen. So I'm gonna go to the main deck. It's only the middle floor, not the top floor. I think I will feel dizzy if I go to the top floor, and it's also night, so just the main floor. These are the tickets. For 2 people it's 2400 yen. If you're a student from 16 to 18 it's 1000 yen. So let's go see. There's also a museum kind of a thing, and you can see the words and also the pictures. Looks like Eiffel Tower, but in Tokyo. Structure, the infrastructure of the tower. Wow, the doors. You can buy your tickets beforehand also in this app called Cloak. Here you can also buy tickets for different activities. It has the same price even if you are buying from India or any other part of the world, or by yourself in person, it's the same price, so you can also get the reservation.
本日はご来島くださいまして誠にありがとうございます。これより高さ150メートルメインデッキまで約45秒でご案内いたします。1958年に開業した東京タワーはおかげさまで昨年で65周年を迎えました。
बस एक ही बार जोर से मार नॉर्मल आप छोड़ दे परफेक्ट
I was here at the Tokyo Tower, now going to Shibuya to see how Shibuya crossing looks at night. I have not been there. I've been to Shinjuku for 3 consecutive nights. I think it's time to check out Shibuya at night also. But look at this view. I mean, look at this street that I am just crossing to go to the buildings. They are so nice. It's really beautiful at night in Tokyo. Taking this Kamiyacho station to go to Shibuya from Tokyo Tower. I am here at Shibuya at night and it is so beautiful. It feels so different than how it feels during daylight. I will show you. It's so royal. Just look at it. This is the entrance to the Tokyo Plaza. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. Tokyo is so beautiful. Tokyo is so beautiful at night. I am here at Shibuya Chuokai. Let's go. Here to see Hachiko. I'm so sad. Hi guys. I am at the ground floor of my hostel, but apparently you cannot talk even here. I don't know where we can talk. It's asked we are asked to be quiet. But anyways, I wanted to show my dinner, which is this. Got this pasta bowl. It's garlic sauce, garlic, tomato, parmesan, chicken pasta, and I also got this tiramisu. Yeah, so that's my dinner. I'm gonna end the vlog here, so see you guys bye tomorrow.